The University of Derby, based in the heart of England, is globally recognized for combining academic excellence with career-ready education. Awarded TEF Gold for teaching quality and ranked among the UK's best for student satisfaction and employability, Derby offers an inspiring and supportive environment for students from all over the world. With 350-plus undergraduate and postgraduate programs, Derby equips students with practical knowledge and industry-relevant skills. From artificial intelligence and business management to psychology, engineering, and criminology, every program is designed to align with today's job market. Many courses include placement options, hands-on projects, or real-world casework, so you're ready for your career from day one. Most courses begin in September, with a few available for January entry. Applications can be made through UCAS for undergraduate programs or via the University of Derby's application portal for postgraduate programs. When you apply through us, you'll benefit from our end-to-end guidance, and if eligible, even offer letters within 24 hours. All international students are required to demonstrate English proficiency through recognized tests such as IELTS, PTE, or TOEFL. If certain eligibility criteria are met, the university might waive the English language requirement. Tuition fees at the University of Derby are competitively priced for international students, reflecting the high quality of education and facilities on offer. Financial support is available through scholarships and discounts, making a Derby degree more accessible. Derby's modern campus is equipped with cutting-edge labs, studios, and collaborative learning spaces. You'll also find a dedicated careers team offering post-graduation support, access to strong industry links, and placement opportunities across sectors. The University of Derby offers the perfect platform to grow, learn, and earn a degree with a promising future. Start your journey with Derby. Apply now with us.